Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to tell you about the paper pattern of physics. So how many papers are there that you have to attempt in CAIE exams? But before that, I will tell you there are two portions of your syllabus that students often study. The first one is core and the second one is extended. So there are total 6 papers. Often most of the students attempt core and most of the students attempt extended syllabus. So there we have two categories that I will mention here. Those students who wants to get grade C or below C, they study core syllabus. Below C means C to G grade, mean to say C, D, E, like these grades. They will study core syllabus. And in extended category, there are core and supplement syllabus. Mean to say those students who want to get grade A star A or above C, they study extended syllabus. Yes, above. Okay. In this category, they will focus on C or below C, and in this category, they will focus on A star A or above C. Okay. These are the two portion of the syllabus of physics. For core candidates, they will attempt paper 1, and for extended candidates, they will attempt their first paper, paper 2. Okay, in paper 1, there are multiple choice questions as well as in paper 2, there will be same. Paper 1, there we will write. First of all, there are MCQs. Same is the case with this one. So it will cover 30% portion of the paper. 30% portion. We will write here 30%. There are total 40 MCQs. That will give you 40 marks. There are total 40 MCQs. They will give you 40 marks. And the total time assigned to paper 1 is 45 minutes. That will be the time assigned to paper 1. Same is the case with paper 2. There is same time, 45 minutes. Also, it will cover 30% portion of the paper and it will give you 40 marks. Paper 2. Okay, for extended candidates and for core candidates. In paper 3, core candidates will attempt a theory portion. Mean to say paper 3 that will be attempted by the students will be a theory portion and it will cover 50% portion of the subject of the paper. The total time assigned to paper 3 is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Same is the case with paper 4. It is a theory paper. It will cover 50% portion. And this paper 4 will be attempted by the extended candidates. So same is the time assigned to it, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, students, in theory paper, core candidates simply attempt short answers, structured questions, like let me just write here short questions, structured questions. Same is the case with this one, but it will be not attempted by the students in detail, and it will give 50% marks, which will be 80 marks total. You can write here 80 marks. There are 80 marks in paper 3. Same is the case with this one. Short questions, structured questions, extended subject content, mean to say from core and supplement syllabus. They will attempt from core and supplement syllabus. Extended content. Also, it will give 80 marks. Okay. Same time will be taken by the paper 4. 4 candidates will attempt paper 5 and extended candidates will attempt paper 6. So as I have already told you, there are total 6 papers. So 3 papers are attempted by the core candidates and 3 papers are attempted by the extended candidates. Extended candidates can only attempt 2, 4 and paper 6, and core candidates can only attempt paper 1, 3 and 5. Paper 5 has the portion practical test. It will cover 20% portion of the paper. 20%. So the total time assigned to this paper is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Same is the case with this one. Paper 6 also contains same time, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Also it will cover 20% portion, but it is practical test. It is not. It is alternate to practical. We can say it alternate to practical. Alternate to practical. So it is also called ATP. You can write it ATP. Okay. In paper 5, questions will be based upon the experimental skills. Same is the case with this one in paper 6. So it is like a theory portion. Okay, you will not perform any practical here. You will just attempt 2 questions. It will contain 20% portion and it is also contain 20% portion. So there will be 2 questions. I think so. They will cover 40 marks. It will also have 40 marks. So total 100% paper will be covered by these 3 papers, like 1, 3, 5 for core candidates and 2, 4, 6 paper for extended candidates. Okay, this is all. This is the total paper pattern of physics. Cambridge candidates can attempt physics paper by the help of this pattern. Okay, they will follow this pattern.